your fighter.
Hi, hello students, my name is Hernán and I'm going to be your teacher for this B12 level. Now there are a couple of considerations that you need to take into account for my course, and these are the following. Looking on the screen is platform, Google Classroom. I am not sure if you use it with your previous teacher, but it is imperative that we use it, otherwise you won't be able to see the activities that I display and assign for the course. So it is pretty easy. I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel, but if there's nothing else I have to say about this. If you have a Google account, I think it works with different accounts. You only click on the 9 dots that are on the upper right part of your screen when you have logged in, and you look for the version or the option that says classroom. You click on there and you will automatically be redirected to a similar page or window this way, and you click on the plus symbol. Then when it says apuntarse una clase, or so once you have there, this is going to be the code that you need to use it in order to log in my class. Now you have to do it today, because just right before starting with our class tomorrow, I'll change it, so you won't be able to have access to this platform. All right. I'm part of your group on WhatsApp, so in case you have any issues with this, just let me know. All right. Here I will see your names, of course, once you are in, and that will be all. That is the first thing that you need to consider. On the other hand, you need to take a look of this. We need to create an e-Porfolio. In that way, I can track all the activities and assignments that you guys do during the course. So make sure you, with your Google account, you also have access to this. It's pretty easy. You can go back and check the 9 dots on the upper right part of your screen, or you can type this URL that I'm showing you right now. It's pretty easy, sites.google.com. Right after that, you will see this thing. There's a gallery of there are so many options in here that you can choose from. So you click on here, you can scroll down, and you have like the personal form for a restaurant, for an event, etc., etc. And in my case, I have these two for education. My suggestion is that you pick one of those, but at the end of the day, you need to watch another video that I'm going to link down below this video, so you see the sections, because you are basically creating a site that is going to be published, and every single person who has the link is going to be able to see it. In my case, I recommend you to watch that video, because I also show you the way that you give me access as an editor of your site. In that way, I can give you feedback and, of course, make some corrections. Click on the one that is in here, but if you are a little bit rebel and decide to choose another option, go ahead, do it. It's for free. But you need to respect the sections that are going to be part of our lesson. Let me show you mine. This is one I created in order to make the tutorial. And as you can see at the very top part, you will see these options that are called pages. So we will have the one that is at the very beginning, the one that is called My Journal, the other one that is called Projects in Class, and What I Know. We'll be constantly feeding our e-portfolios with information. Of course, I'm going to let you know exactly what you have to do. On the e-portfolio, you have to do the first activity, which is writing or typing in a small description of you. I really want to know you that way. 60 to 80 words. You offer a picture, and then you can add some extra pictures of things you mentioned in here. For example, doing some sports or creating materials or creating stuff. I mean, feel free to attach those pictures, and don't forget to click on publish. Oh, and by the way, you need to give me permission to be an editor. So if you watch the tutorial that is below the video, you will see how. All right. So I'm eager to see your e-portfolios. So they need to be created today, or at least very early in the morning tomorrow. Okay, make sure that you are prepared to have asynchronous activities, because 4 hours and a half, or I think that it's more than that we're going to be together during this course every single Saturday. I don't think you guys think of answering the exercises of the book, so you have to produce somehow. Besides this, I'll let you know when and how you will have access to some rubrics, so you will know the evaluation criteria for this. But that's on the works. I mean, some people are creating that and I'm working on that, so make sure you just stay tuned using the WhatsApp group, and you will receive this information. Now, it is important that you are constantly checking this site, the Google Classroom site, because I'll post some stuff in here. So it is annoying that I go back, I create a post in here and then I need to let you know that a post is on WhatsApp. That takes a lot of time, so make sure you constantly see this. I would like to dedicate a couple of days to create your task. So that means that you will have new tasks every single 2 or 3 days, depending on so that would be it. So once you have this, I'll start posting some stuff. But the first thing I really want to have, the first 2 things that I want to have, that I want you to have, are the following: being part of this Google Classroom group and start creating your e-Porfolio. Your e-Porfolio with your description. In this case, it's going to be like an introduction. I don't know you or remember you, so it is important that you guys give me a very small bio, let's say 60 to 80, and then you tell me something about you. All right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Go there and watch the other video and I'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. No worries, I'll schedule the call, so in a few minutes you will receive the code, the link to access to it. That's going to be the one that we will always use. And don't forget that because we're using Zoom, every single 40 minutes we need to hang up and call you back. That will be it. Okay, thank you.